Joy Lab.
Hi, I'm Tonya. Freezer meals make your life so much easier. This is one of 3 videos showing how you can use your freezer and the freezer meal system to always have on hand a dinner, a breakfast, a side dish with grits. Why grits? Grits are so healthy for you. Iron, fiber, vitamin B complex, and they are not just for breakfast. Make sure you check out all 3 videos in this grits freezer meal series. Today, it is andouille and white cheddar cheese grits. Let's get started. Grits are pretty plain on their own. I think that's why they make such a good breakfast side dish. Grits are corn, dried and ground up, and then softened with milk or cream or water. A nice, nutritious breakfast side dish with not much flavor. That's why in this 3 recipe video series, I'm going to add a lot of flavor to the grits. This is andouille and white cheddar cheese grits. I had to look up how to say andouille. I had grits at a restaurant in San Antonio, Texas with our good friends. And it's the restaurant, and I had to look up how to say this too, Pappadeaux. Pappadeaux Restaurant had andouille white cheddar cheese grits as the side dish. And when I came back, I have to have this for myself. Hunted around on the internet, took several different andouille sausage and white cheddar grit recipes and combined them into one that just about matches perfectly, at least my memory of Pappadeaux cheese grits. I'll have to go back, visit our friends again, and see how close I am to the actual recipe flavors and essence. This recipe has onions and chives, white cheddar butter, the andouille sausage, some cream, and water along with the grits. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to saute our 1 cup of onion and 8 ounces of andouille sausage in 8 tablespoons of melted butter. But first, I want to show you this amazing tool that I just love. It is my handy chopper. It has 3 sharp blades that spin, and look how it works for this onion section. And there, your onion is all chopped up. This one is from Pampered Chef. If you have a friend who sells Pampered Chef, buy one of these from them right away. If you don't, I have a link in the description below to an Amazon order for a product similar to it. If you buy it, I get a few pennies of commission, and you get this amazing chopping machine, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Eight tablespoons of butter, 8 ounces andouille sausage, all chopped up, and a cup of diced onions. I'm going to let this saute for about 5 minutes, and I'll see you soon. If you were here with me right now, you would smell this wonderful onion and andouille sausages, all hot and melty and sauteed together. It smells delicious. Now we need to bring the liquids to a boil before we add our grits and cook them in. Take 6 cups of water. That was 4, 5, 6 cups of water, 4 cups of cream. Delicious. One pint is 2 cups. And the other pint, 2 more cups, makes it 4 cups. That is a lot of liquid. I'll bring this to a boil and then we'll come back and add the grits together. While the liquid is coming to a boil, we need to prep our final ingredients to make just things easier. Let's use our time wisely. Look at this chives that I got from the grocery store, still with the root on. I could just probably plant this and have fresh chives for a long time. Everybody needs a good pair of kitchen shears. Kitchen scissors is what they can be called. And to make the chives, just like giving a little haircut to these chives. Yes, you could do this with a knife, but to me, often when you're dealing with herbs, it's easier to use your kitchen scissors. See? Fast, easy, perfect. This is one big old hot pot of liquid. Let's put our grits in, and then I have to stir it for 20 minutes while the grits cook. Drag. Oh well, it's gonna be worth it. 1 2/3 cup of grits. Okay, I'll see you in 20 minutes. Look at how thick and creamy these andouille sausage grits are. Now we need to add the white cheddar and the chives, and that's it. One cup of white cheddar, a 1/4 cup of chives, I can serve it up right now, and I'm going to, for me, right now. I'll need to let those cool before I eat them, because these are very hot grits right now. I just have to wait. So good. Ooh, just a little zip to them. Now, freezer meal, that's what we're doing. There is so much of this that I can divide it up into several different meals. I'm going to use a freezer baggie. Always make sure that you use the blue baggies. Those are freezer baggies. It makes a difference. Oh, it's hot standing over that stove for 25 minutes. If you put the baggie in a bowl, it stands up easier while you are dividing it into freezer baggies. Really, I should wait till this cools more, but I want to show you how to prep for the freezer. Andouille and white cheddar cheese grits. Thaw overnight in the fridge. Place in a pot, heat through on the stove. Once this is a little bit cooler, I will put this baggie in the freezer. I should have waited. Get some of that air out. Then I can actually make sure that they freeze flat. Then the next one I'll freeze flat also, and it can stack right on top and make my freezer nice and neat. Whenever I need a nice side dish, I can just pull this out the night before, put it in the fridge, and it will be all ready. Freezer meals are like that. I spent a lot of time making this delicious andouille and white cheddar cheese grits. I don't want to use it up all at once, and I don't have to because of freezer meals. I'm using the freezer to extend the work that I've done today. Make sure you watch the other 2 videos in our series on grits and how you can use freezer meals to make your life so much easier. Subscribe, please. Like the video. It helps YouTube put my videos in front of other people who are interested in making their life easier with freezer meals. Check out the description for more resources. My name again is Tonya. Thanks for watching.
Joy Lab. Learning done right. Learn more with Joy Lab. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Visit us at www.joylab.biz. Thank you.